Most developers think you need expensive subscriptions like Cursor Pro or Claude Max to get powerful AI coding inside VS Code. But right now, two insanely capable models, Kimi and Minimax, can be used for free, and almost nobody is talking about it. In this video, I'll show you the exact setup to use them inside VS Code for coding, debugging, refactoring, and full AI assistance without paying monthly fees. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete free AI coding workflow inside VS Code using some of the most powerful open access models available right now. Now, let's get into it. Open VS Code first. Then head over to the Extensions tab and search for Blackbox AI. You'll notice there are two different extensions here, one called Blackbox AI and another called Blackbox Agent. For this setup, we only need Blackbox AI. Click on it and install the extension. The installation usually takes less than a minute. Once it's installed, make sure to enable auto updates so you always get the latest features and model updates in the future. Now, below the Extensions tab, you'll see two Blackbox AI icons. Click on either one and it'll open the AI Agent panel. The nice thing is, you don't even need to create an account to use it. You can start using the extension immediately. But if you decide to sign in, you'll also get access to some pro models, although they come with limited context usage. Now, click on the Select Model option. And here you can already see two free models available, Kimi K2.6 and Minimax M2.7. Both of these models are completely free and currently unlimited to use. For a quick demo, I'm going to give it a prompt to create a simple brutalist-style image size reducer web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And there it goes. You can already see the model starting to think. Now, the agent first generates a to-do.md file so you can quickly review the entire workflow before it starts building the project. After that, it immediately begins working on the task. One thing I noticed is that it writes code surprisingly fast, and whenever it creates a file, it automatically checks for errors as well. It even rechecks the files multiple times, usually around 3 to 4 passes to make sure everything is working correctly.
2,000 years later.
And just look at this. In under a minute, it already generated our complete image size reducer web app. Here you can choose custom height or width, target image size, different formats like JPEG and WebP. So let's test it quickly. I'm going to upload a sample image, and after clicking render, it instantly reduces the image size. You can already see the difference right here. And once it's done, you can simply download the optimized image directly to your system. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And if you want more videos on free AI tools, coding setups, and developer workflows, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next upload. Also, comment below what topic you want me to cover next. I genuinely read the suggestions, and there's a good chance your idea could become the next video. Thanks for watching, good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.